Good day. Welcome to another session of this tutorial class. Excuse me. So we have a question here, and the question is: a transport company has a total of 20 vehicles made up of tricycles and taxicabs. Each tricycle carries 2 passengers, while each taxicab carries 4 passengers. If the 20 vehicles carry a total of 66 passengers at a time, how many tricycles does the company have? Now, taking a look at this question, the first thing you have to look at is what type of question is this? Is it a set question, or is it a word problem? Although this is a word problem, and the word problem will lead to a simultaneous equation. So what do we do from here? Now, taking a look at it, at the question, we are looking at a tricycle and a what? And a taxi cab. Okay, so the first thing we have to do, so for the solution, so the first thing we have to do is we will say let's see the tricycles be A. Let the tricycles be A. Okay, then the second one is what? Let the taxi cabs be be B. Okay, depending on how you want, you can choose any other alphabet. You can choose X, you can choose Y, you can choose X and Y, you can choose P and Q. As what, just choose what is what convenient for you. Okay, so we've represented the tricycle to be A. We've represented the taxi cabs to be what? To be B. Okay, so we are now having, so now they are now saying the transport company has a total of 20 vehicles, which means the total of the taxi cab and the tricycle is what? Is 20. So what this means is what? We will now have what? A plus B equal to 20. So this is what? Our equation 1. That's the total. The total of the tricycle and the taxi cab is what? Is 20. Okay, then that's for this statement here. Then let's continue. You now said each tricycle carries 2 passengers, while each taxi cab carries 4 passengers. So it means the tricycle will carries what? 2 passengers, while each taxi cab carries what? 4 passengers. So what does this mean? It means 2 tricycle will carry 2. So which means we will now be having what? 2A plus taxi cab, which is what? 4. So that will be what? 4B equal to, now they will now say if the 20 vehicles carry a total of 66 passengers, so the combination of what the tricycle carries and what the taxi cab carries, the total is what? Is 66 passengers, which is 66 at a what? At a time. So this is what? This leads to equation 2. So from here we can now say that what? This is a what? A simultaneous equation. So this question led us to what? To a simultaneous equation. So invariably what we are saying was this is a word problem leading to simultaneous equation. Okay, so since this is what we have the equation 1, which is A plus B equals to 20. We have the equation 2, which is 2A plus 4B equals to 66. All right, so for us to be able to do this, we will now need to what? To use the method, any of the method used in what? In solving simultaneous equation. We have the elimination method, we have the what? The substitution method. So for this tutorial, we are going to be making use of the what? Of the elimination method. You can also use what? You can also use the substitution method as the case may be. Okay, so for us to be able to use elimination method, so using elimination method, okay, now what does the elimination method say is what, since we are having two variables here, the variables are a and b. So the elimination method is telling us that what, we eliminate one of the variable in order for us to what, to get the other what, variable. That's what it means. We eliminate what, one variable, and what, we get the what, we get the other variable. And looking at the question here, the question we want to solve is what, how many tricycles does the company have? How many tricycles does the company have? So what that means is what, we are going to be looking for what, for a, because a represents our what, tricycle. So what this means is that what, we are going to eliminate what, b, so that for us to be able to get what, a. So we want to eliminate what, the b, which is the second variable. Now, how do we eliminate this, or how does the elimination works? This is what which means we make each of them, their coefficients to be what, to be the same. We make their what, we make their coefficients, the coefficient of what, b, to be the same. And how do we do that? For equation 1, use the coefficient of b in equation 2 to multiply everything in equation 1. The same thing, the coefficient of b in equation 1, use it to multiply everything you have in what, in equation 2. So what this means is what, since the coefficient of b here is 4, so I will use it to what, so it will be 4 times a plus b, a plus b equals to 20. So that's for that. Then the coefficient of b here is 1, so I will use it to what, to multiply everything here. So that will be 1 times 2a plus 4b equals to 66. So I will use this 4 to multiply everything out here. So this will be giving me 4 times a, so that's 4a, plus 4 times b, that's 4b, equals to 4 times 20, so that's 80. That's 80. Okay, so that's for the upper one. Let's look at this. 1 times this, so this will be giving me 2a, plus 1 times 4b, that will be 4b, equals to 1 times 66, that's 66. Okay, so with this, we can now what, we can now do our elimination. And for us to do elimination, we have to what, subtract. So which means this is what will happen here. So we do a subtraction here, subtract. Okay, so this is 4a minus 2a, so this will be giving me 2a. Okay, this 4b minus 4b, that one is out, which is 0, so we've eliminated it, equal to 80 minus 66, so that will be giving me what, 14. So the next thing is, for since I'm looking for a, so divide both sides by the coefficient of a, which is 2, so divide both sides by 2. So that will be what, 2a over 2 equals to what, 14 over divided by 2. So 2, we cancel this, so 2 here, 1, 2 in 14, 7. So a equals to what, 7. So what this means is that what, the number of tricycles, the number of tricycles the company has is what, is 7. So that's how we get the value of what, the number of tricycles the company has. So this is how the question is solved. So this is a word problem leading to what, leading to simultaneous equation. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section, I will be glad to to answer your question. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.